Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet with Zara and welcome to the episode 15 of How to Crochet Granny Square series. In this tutorial, I'll be creating the beautiful moon granny square. This stunning design is perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your home decor projects, and its delicate stitches make it a joy to work on. With its timeless charm, you will love making this square into blankets, pillow covers or whatever your creativity desires. So, grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. For this granny square, I'm going to use the materials a 3-ply yarn in two colors, purple and white, a scissor and a 3.5 mm hook. You can use any size and any type of view, it's totally up to you. I'm just teaching you how to crochet a moon granny square. First, we will take this purple color. Now, first we will make a magic circle. Take the line on the left hand and the working yarn on the right hand and wrap it around your left hand fingers in such a way that it makes an X. Now insert the hook under the bottom yarn and pull up the upper yarn and twist the yarn to make a loop. Now chain one from the working yarn. To secure the ring, now take out your fingers. Now work 8 single crochets into the magic circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now pull the tail end to close the circle and slip stitch into the first single crochet to end the round 1. Begin the round 2. Work chain 2, not counted as a stitch, and increase in every stitch. Now work the double crochet into the same stitch where we slip stitch, double crochet again, or increase in the stitch. Working 2 double crochets into the same stitch is usually known as increase double crochet. Now work an increase in every stitch, and in the end you should have total of 16 double crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 'Now I have worked an increase stitch in every stitch. Now slip stitch into the first double crochet. This chain 2 I will not count it as a stitch to end the round 2. Now I have a total of 2 rounds. Now slip stitch into the first double crochet and leave this yarn behind and take the white color and instead of working slip stitch from purple, we have to take the yarn white and slip stitch with white. Now we have to take purple yarn alongside. Now work a single crochet into the same stitch where we work slip stitch. Now into the next stitch work a single crochet and half double crochet into the same stitch, yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up the loop. You have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. Now into the next stitch, work 1 half double crochet, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. Now into next 2 stitches, we have to work 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now again work the double crochet into the same stitch. Now into the next stitch again work 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Now into the next stitch work triple crochet, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now again yarn over twice, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now into the next 2 stitches work 2 double crochet, 1 and 1 double crochet, 1 more double crochet into the same stitch. Now into the next stitch again work 2 double crochets. Now into the next stitch work 1 half double crochet. Into the next stitch 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Now into the next stitch work a slip stitch, but this time we have to change our color to purple. You can see our moon is created. Now chain 2, I will not count this chain 2 as a stitch. Now cut this white yarn. Now I am not counting this chain 2 as a stitch. Now yarn over and 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Now 2 double crochets into the next stitch, 1 and 2 in the same stitch, and 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Now again we will repeat this pattern, 2 double crochet into the same stitch and 1 double crochet into the next stitch. We have 2 stitches left. 2 double crochet into the next stitch and 1 double crochet into the next. Now work 2 double crochet into the slip stitch, back loop only, and 1 double crochet into the next stitch. 2 double crochet into the back loop, now 1 double crochet in back loop and 2 double crochet into the back loop. Now from this point we have to repeat our stitch pattern by working 1 double crochet in one stitch and 2 double crochet into the next stitch, total of 3 double crochets in 2 stitches. I am going to show you again. 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet into the next stitch in back loop only. Now repeat this stitch pattern until you have left 2 stitches at this point, or in short we have to work this stitch pattern till this end and we have to left these 2 stitches. Okay, I will meet you by repeating 1 double crochet in one stitch and 2 double crochet into the next stitch, and I will meet you at this point. Now I have reached the point, yarn over, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet into the back loop. Now slip stitch into the first double crochet to end the round. Now just count the stitches. You should have total of 36 stitches at the end of this round. Now for the round 4, work chain 2, not count it as a stitch, and 1 double crochet into the same. 1 double crochet into the next stitch and 2 double crochet into the next stitch. Now 1 double crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and 2 double crochet into the next stitch. Now repeat this stitch pattern until you reach the end of the round. 1 double crochet in 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and 2 double crochet into the next stitch. 1 double crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2 and 2 double crochets into the next stitch. Now follow the same stitch pattern, 1 double crochet in 2 stitches and 2 double crochet into the same stitch, next one, and I will meet you at this point. Now I have reached at the end of round 4. Now slip stitch into the first double crochet to end this round. Now for the round 5, chain 2 and double crochet into the same space. This is the first stitch of the round 5. Now 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, again 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, 1 single crochet, again work 1 half double crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches, 1 triple crochet into the next stitch. Now in the next stitch I am going to work a corner, 2 triple crochets into the same stitch, chain 3 and 2 triple crochet, chain 3 and again 2 triple crochet into the same stitch, now again 1 triple crochet. Now reverse these stitches, 2 double crochets in next 2 stitches, 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, 1 double crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and 1 triple crochet. Now again in the next stitch I am going to work a corner, in the same way make 2 other sides and I will meet you at the end of the fourth corner. Now work the same stitches and I will meet you at this point. Now I am at the last stitch. I have just changed my location. Yarn over twice and into the last stitch work a triple crochet as we have to complete the set. Now slip stitch into the now you can see a skewer is formed. Now for the last round work chain 2, not count it as a stitch, and work a double crochet in each stitch, 1, 2, 3. Now in each stitch work a double crochet and reach at the corner. Now into the corner work 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, chain 2, 1 and 2 more double crochets into the same stitch. Now again work double crochet in each stitch and reach the other corner and work 4 double crochets with a chain 2 in between in every corner, and I will meet you at this point. Now I have reached at our last corner, 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochet into the same space. Now a slip stitch into the first, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now hide the tail. And that's a wrap. Your gorgeous moon granny square is now complete, filled with texture and charm. I hope you had as much fun making it as I did. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will never miss a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take good care of yourself. Happy hooking and happy crocheting. Bye bye.